crystal clear velvety gels. The consistency is just a maze. All right, so you not have to sitting, oh my gosh, my bead is drying, my bead's running. It will not. You can't take your times, which is that, you know, sometimes I will talk with the clients and then with the beads and say, hold on, you can hold on your conversation because I can't listen to you. I'm doing my beats right now. But with this one, it's like, oh, okay. So now you see that really thin coat of a crystal clear, all right? And you can keep in mind, you can incorporate with any glitter you might have. You can do so much with this. You can do even the glass nails, but I'm gonna do using submerging my brush into the base gels and blend using my belly of the brush. This is really cool thing about you can do so many cool fun nail art and there's no odor at all, no messies, which is I love liquid and powder. This is I love it as well because it's give me another of alternative and another service added on the menu. You imagine if you do this for a whole day, like if you have a whole day's velvety gels and no odor at all, it's just awesome. And it's a smiling, it's just a maze. And you remove, even better. Crystal clear, super crystal clear. Which one I did earlier? Maybe I should do this like a golden. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Even just by it. You can do it like ombre look, or you can just doing it tap like whole nails like what I doing it now. I like it. And if you're doing this set, this will take you is really fast doing a new set. Also no odor, and also guess what? You can able to price it a little bit additional too. For the sets, like $5 to $10, depending on the salon location. Oh, I'm sorry. Really cool though. Like really crystal clear though. All right. Way off it, I'll go. All right. Happy with this? Here for 60 seconds. You can add more if you want. Hold on. This one missing a little bit. There's a new corn flakes that is so stunning. You can dab it in as a glitter, so thin, or you can rub it on as your unicorn chrome. So you never go wrong with it. So I'm gonna close this one because they're so freaking awesome and thin. If I talk toward it, it's gonna fly everywhere and I can't breathe. So I'm gonna have to move that for a second right now. All right, it's close crystal clear. Oh, hold on. No, we need crystal clears one more time before I can close that completely. All right, let me pick up that and we cap this chrome flake. Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. I was like, pay attention on the nails. And if I miss your comment, don't kill me. I'm still here. I'm so excited, so thrilled. A lot of questions for this. So if you're watching video and you still have a question about this and you don't think of it now, don't worry. You can always DM us. Our team will definitely gonna assist you with any question. Jacqueline, how much would you charge for the full set of refills? It suggests the charge is $5 to $10 on the top of your acrylic set. For instance, if my acrylic set is start from 65, for instance, 55, 45, it's really depend on the location. You can price this for $5 to $10 more. Mika, I know, I agree, Mika. It's just like so beautiful. All right. Oh, I need this one. Sorry, I moved that one away, but I need that because I have a beige gels here. Hey, Nene. Oh, hey, Tracy. Hey, Dom. Oh my goodness, everybody. Now I scroll it back into the comment. Is it? Wait, hold on. Ladies, happy Wednesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you have a fabulous Wednesday. All right, so nice. Look at that, it's cell level. You can take a nap and then wake up and it's still there for you. It's not gonna run everywhere. Okay, remove that. And now clear for 60 seconds. Okay.